An Indian national who was working as a caregiver has been killed in Hamas rocket attack in Ashkelon in Israel. According to the family members of 31-year-old Soumya Santosh, the rocket fell on her residence in the city of Ashkelon while she was talking to her husband Santosh, who is in southern Indian state of Kerala, over a video call in the evening. Soumya Santosh, who hailed from Kerala's Idukki district, worked as a caregiver attending to an elderly woman at a house in the southern Israeli coastal city of Ashkelon. Ashkelon, which borders the Gaza Strip, has come under massive fire from the Palestinian militants. Soumya was reportedly living in Israel for the past 7 years. She has a 9-year-old son whom she had left with her husband in Kerala. Her 80-year-old elderly charge is said to have survived the direct hit on the house and is hospitalized in a serious condition. Israel's ambassador to India, Ron Malka, on Tuesday took to Twitter to condole the Indian woman's death. He said, "On behalf of the State of Israel, I convey heartfelt condolences to the family of Soumya Santosh, murdered by Hamas' indiscriminate terror attack on innocent lives. Our hearts are crying with her 9-year-old son that lost his mother in this cruel terrorist attack." In another tweet, he said that he spoke to the family of Soumya Santosh, the victim of the Hamas terrorist strike. He said, "I expressed my sorrow for their unfortunate loss and extended my condolences on behalf of the State of Israel. The whole country is mourning her loss and we are here for them." Israel carried out hundreds of airstrikes in Gaza into Wednesday morning as Hamas and other Palestinian militants fired multiple rocket barrages at Tel Aviv and Beersheba. The severity of violence has escalated as 43 Palestinians were killed in Gaza and 5 in Israel following airstrikes. One multi-story residential building in Gaza collapsed and another was heavily damaged after they were repeatedly hit by Israeli airstrikes. Israel said the jets had targeted and killed several Hamas intelligence leaders early on Wednesday. Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu vowed to expand the offensive, while Gaza militants unleashed a fierce late-night barrage of rockets that set off air raid sirens and explosions throughout the densely populated Tel Aviv metropolitan area. It was the heaviest fighting between the bitter enemies since 2014, and it showed no signs of slowing. Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying Rs 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying Rs 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our Super Supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, well, subscribe to our YouTube channel.